Today we'll talk about how can you select video quality on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, clicking on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click on app settings, you just click on it. You come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just click here on video quality here. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you select your video quality in this list. You click here on OK, then here automatically it's going to add video on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.